Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. Today I got a 13 by 4 really short pixie cut curly wig from a company who wanted me to do a little review. So today I'm gonna be doing an install and talking you through what I think about this hair. It has an adjustable strap, which I've never seen, and elastic band in a wig. I've never seen it from a company that sent me a wig, which I love. It has 3 combs, and the main central parting section is in the middle, which I didn't like, so I just did the comb over method when it came to styling. And right here, you just see me wetting down the frontal, just trying to see how much parting room I have, and getting all the flyaways out of the hair. I didn't do too much plucking because there's not a lot of parting space on the sides. I just wanted to do enough to make it look natural and not so, just straight across my forehead. So I'm just doing a little customization. I'm just gonna spray that lace real good, make sure nothing, affects it when I put that bleach on and start the bleaching process. The knots bleach really quick. I love this hair. It didn't take long at all, probably 5 minutes or less. I put on my bleach in the consistency so that it won't run through the hair. And now I'm gonna dry that cap. I like to dry the cap real good, make sure that the cap is at least dry and the hair can be wet. But the cap needs to be dry to prevent any mold and mildew on my braids. Alright, now that my cap is dry, I'm just gonna tint the lace to my color with some powder. This is my favorite method, and then I'll take some spray to lock it in and redo it. Now I'm just gonna try that wig on, see what it's looking like, and as you can see, it is giving just a tad bit to me of melt. I add a little bit of tackiness to my cap and tint it with the same color that I did on my wig. And then I'm gonna be ready to pull that muffin cap down, period. Pulled it down, checked out my work, made sure that the hair was plucked enough, pulled it to the side I wanted to wear it on. And then I'm gonna cut those ear tabs. Disregard the wig is sitting up in the back. Same thing for the other side. And now, today, I'm using a different lace spray. I could have used a little lace. I didn't know it was this tacky, like this the even extra hold lace spray. Wow. Like, wow, it really melts your lace, like really melts your lace. Adding some heat, some additional heat to get the melt look that I got. And as you can see right there, I'm very impressed with it. Like, damn, I ain't never had no meltdown like this before, I'm cut some little tabs to make the lace removal pretty easy. And use my eyebrow razor to just go across my hairline and, clean it up, cut it up, make it look natural. So now, I know you can see some of my lace, I know. I'm just going across my head, and watch how that lace is disappearing. It is disappearing like that in real life as well, real time. Like, look at that. That lace is melting into my skin with this spray. I love this spray. Even has a forever customer for that spray. I mean, just look at that milk. That looks so good to me. I love this wig. The curls are amazing. The hair, I did experience some shedding, but it was minimal shedding. I absolutely adore the company. The shipping was great. Yeah, and it's a new look. Like, it's something that you don't normally see in a lace front. Like, if you want to try something new, this is the wig to get. So now, of course, y'all know I gotta have some baby hair, so I'm just separating me some baby hair. I'm not the best at the baby hairs, but I love a big fluffy baby hair. Like, that's just my thing. And using the curling iron to get that look that you want to get to, like, as far as a swoop, that's just genius. Whoever came out with it, you're just a genius. I use a little bit of that earring spray to swoop the edges after I curl them. And now I'm just repeating the edge process all the way across that forehead. I'm gonna take a little bit of water and conditioner and bring those curls back to life after brushing it so much. I'm just kind of trying to see what the style is giving right here. I took my little wand and put it in a direction I wanted it to go. This is the store, y'all. The link for the store is going to be in the description box below. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.